We're going to the basement.
Alright, I'm recording.
You want to wait, I won't push it.
I died.
Will bring me on?
Come on, buddy. We can do a few matches while recording. We'll do like an 8-minute video.
You want that?
We'll do a 5-minute video.
Oh, crap.
Come on, you got this. Another dub. Alright, come here. We're gonna go. We finna go another one. Come on. We need to.
Thank you.
There must be quite a few matches going on.
Oh, there's bacon news. Colton, who killed both the people in the last round?
You.
I killed both of them?
Uh-huh.
I want to swallow a nickel for some reason.
Bro, we're recording.
Oh crap, I didn't know that. Yeah, don't do it. I've done it before. Makes it really hard to breathe.
Alright, let's do this. Let's go kill the ops. Or destroy them. Send them back to the lobby. Come around on them.
I think you shot up that round and you shot me back.
What do you think?
You murdered himself and ran away.
No way, bro.
Memorize his moves. If you memorize his moves, you can shoot. Follow him.
Oh my gosh. That game's actually good. You gotta go.
Oh, behind him! Run. This way.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I think he's been seen.
He's getting double teamed, so I don't think he can win this. Who knows, dude? Ready? One down. No way! Oh, he's camping a bedroom. You're not gonna kill him. Just come around the corner, Leo.
Oh, crap!
Oh my gosh! Dang! 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 I need to set up my phone number so I can do a live stream. We need to get to 100 subscribers. You carried. Oh, did you see that? She killed you at the end.
Oh, baby.
One's down. Alright, the other one's gonna be like Camden Bedroom. Or right there. If you're gonna get killed, then come around the corner. Wow. Oh my goodness. Yes. I got my worst enemy. Bacon.
This one thinks she can, but she can't.
What's happening in here? What's going on, little kids?
You